ready? Oh, no, whoa, Jesus. Okay, now you can just go for that. No, one hand. One hand.
Yeah.
Chuck it in the flour.
But this.
You gradually pull it apart with one hand. Or two hands if you're not confident.
2 hands.
So put shell in it. Oh my lord.
No shell.
Some of that. Okay, yeah, well done. And you didn't break the yolk either. Well done. So what we're doing here is making, yeah, we're making beer batter. Go on. So what we're doing today is we got some amazing fish from the Alaska guys. Thank you very much, Kev. And are you beating it or are you just like tickling it? What are you doing? And we're gonna take some pollock from Alaska, all the way from Alaska. I mean pollock. Can you believe that? Alaska, North America. Long way to come to Singapore, right? Didn't come on holiday, obviously. So we're just making this batter, beer batter. We're going to need a bit more flour in that. And we're going to coat the pollock already in some cornstarch just to protect it from the frying. Dip it in the batter. And then we're going to deep fry it. And we've got some fries to go with this. I'm making homemade fish and chips. That's looking good. We're going to dip the fish and dip the thing in that bacon, and then we're going to drop it in the boiling oil. Attacking a castle, we're going to put boiling oil. Okay, the chips that's oil is now in at about 160, and we're going to do blanching. So my nan always used to tell me that you blanch first. And I actually do see it on a lot of recipes that you do it at a low temperature first, the chips, and then you take them out, let them sit for a bit, and then you whack them back in at a higher temperature to crisp them up. So these are going to go in for a wee blanch first. So here we go. Quite a few in there, actually. Maybe too many, but anyway, whatever. So this is the first, yeah, that's looking pretty good, isn't it, mate? What do you reckon? So what we've done is we've blanched, as you can see, they're sort of cooked, but they're not 100% of the fried on the way through to crispy yet, right? So yeah, this is called blanching. So that's first phase at about 150, 160. We will finish these off in a couple of minutes at full temperature over here. What we're going to do now is going to whack her up to 190. Get that going. Why don't you just push the chickaroonies over here. And Amy, we are going to be frying the fish in a second. So we are up for a rain. So just going to put them into the batter. That's okay. I think I'm going to put them all in. Alright, let's just toss these around in here, MC. Just trying to get a nice coating. Oh, we'll put this in. And then in we go. Woo! Careful. Don't go away from yourself. Here we're just doing the Wagyu strips. So some little thin Wagyu strips that I've cut off. Again, I've just dusted them with a little bit of flour. We'll put those in last because they'll go super quick. Let's have a look at how the fish is going, Aim. What? Look at that! Is that good or what? Looking good, right? Okay, we're nearly done there, right? And then we're going to get the chips back in. I'm going to fry off Jude Jude's Wagyu beef. Oh, so you're going to have like this, but Wagyu beef. Woohoo! Okay, ready? Okay. And we're done. Look at that. How good is that look? Yes, I'm just going to put on here to drain. So just on a bit of tea towel, not tea towel, kitchen. Okay. Yeah, there goes the Wagyu, Amy. Shouldn't take too long. Again, this is literally just, because it's Wagyu, this is going to cook super quick actually. And all we're doing is we're just going to bring it to this nice and crispy. And